If farming is large scale, goats are kept in more permanent buildings. They are fed in fenced feeders, and there is an outside resting area. Farmers usually do not use litter. On large farms, people feed their goats chopped green grass, along with a little hay and grain. Modern technology will increase working efficiency and improve the quality of husbandry as well as the health status of goats. Workers do not need to go to the barn to monitor the goat's condition. The system can display each goat's information on a computer screen, including gender, age, weight, as well as health status, vaccinations, and pregnancy. Currently, this farm only needs to employ 11 people to manage 3,000 goats.